Are you looking for tips as to how to make your own voiceover demo reel? In this video, I'm going to share 8 gold star tips with you. Now, when you market yourself to get work as a voiceover, your compilation MP3 demo reel is your essential calling card. So how good is your current general demo compilation? Well, they can always be improved, and you need to put yourself in the position of the professional clients who will be listening to these essential reels, either the casting agents or advertising agencies who are looking for voices for specific projects, or the production companies that you've emailed with your show reel hoping to get on their all-important approved voiceover roster. What will they hear? How will your demo reel compare against other ones that have been sent? There are all sorts of different parameters to this, and it's more complicated than one may think initially. The technical side is important too, because especially if you're using your show reel to show off your own home studio's capabilities, the quality has got to be really good. After all, clients will be asking you to record in your home studio and send back files that they want to use in their own final media. So let me now list the various parameters you should have that you can check off to make sure your demo reel is absolutely brilliant and the best it can be before you send it off. Number 1, don't worry about the order of clips when you start producing your compilation demo. Just create and mix a variety of clips and save them as separate short files. Only when you know you've got a good mixture there, you can't improve any single one of them. You can then think about the order and even leave out weaker clips completely. 2, what should be your first clip on your compilation demo reel? Should it be an up-tempo, upbeat example of your voice, something a bit moody, a narration of some kind? Well, I would say a clip of your natural voice to begin with, right? Your natural everyday voice. Forget character voices, the announcer voice, or anything like that. Just put your natural voice first and then ring the changes. So clips 2, 4, and 6, say, could be acting or character voice work with straight narration starting and in between. Try not to make 2 clips the same style next to each other. 3, in multi-track, when mixing with music, make sure the music you choose is from a non-copyright library and is appropriate for the style of voice and subject matter. Now, the music is there to create a mood and should not be too loud. You are the star of this reel. Number 4, don't forget to keep the raw voice clips somewhere. Keep them unprocessed and without music. Once you've interested future clients in your show reel mixed with music, quite often clients will come back and ask you for samples without any music and without any audio processing, so they can check out how well your booth performs without any music or effects that could be masking the audio quality. 5, how long is the whole compilation? Now, you're doing well if a potential client listens to the end, so put the clips you're most proud of at the start. The whole demo reel should be about a minute, certainly no longer than 2 minutes. 6, do a final performance check. Are there some clips where you could actually perform better? Check for clarity, emphasis, and make sure that any music does not drown you. 7, now do a technical check. Listen to every clip. Ensure the microphone technique is good. There are no slight pops or breaths that need to be reduced. Levels should not clip, obviously, and after normalization, the track should be slightly multi-band compressed for the narration and announcer work, but left completely raw for any acting work to keep that dynamic range there, as you'd have in the natural world. At 8, at the end of the project, check the levels are normalized to -3 decibels and export your multitrack to a 192 kilobytes per second MP3 file. So, how do you feel about all of this? Remember, a good demo reel is essential to get the interest of future clients. Don't send out a demo reel until it's as good as it can be. As I always say, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. Now, you could play your demo reel to a good friend or family member to get their feedback before you post it, but are they really qualified or have the experience to give you solid performance or technical feedback? Here at VoiceOver Masterclass, we offer a very affordable evaluation and feedback service. You send us your demo reel and we will listen carefully and send you back our written and fair evaluation of what we hear, along with practical improvements we feel could be done. We'll run your reel through our technical analysis as well and score you for performance, including considering parameters such as appropriate tonal delivery, voice style consistency, the use of colored tone words when appropriate. Now, if you're interested in making use of this service, please click the link somewhere around this video, and good luck with your demo reel production.